Come test drive the 2017 Ioniq Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid offers a nice, quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.